Hey again, part 5. It's time to put the things together. Let's have everything into the case. I got new loudspeakers. Oh, yeah. And now, what else to do but to have all the things in here connected and give a first try. So, the mecha. I'm talking about mechanics, of course. It's in here. No screws yet because we don't need them. The electronic should go like this. It's a very clever idea of this modular way of building things. We even have a proper way to keep them. It's like a car front hook or something. Okay, now let's do the connections to the transformer and to the loudspeakers. And they got numbers 1, 2, 3 goes here, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are the loudspeaker. Yes, this is done. This is a ground. We'll do that later. Let me put this down for now. Oh, most important thing. Let me connect the mechanical part of the things on the heads. And we have this big connector down here. It's in. Okay, so the power switch is there. That should be fine for now. Let's power on. Okay. I have a slight noise over there, but that because this ground connection that I should have it on. Find the tape. I have the meters working. Beautiful. Why is that noise? I don't like it. Maybe it needs the spool a little bit higher. Not anymore. Okay. Play. Nothing here. One channel is still not working. Where is this black stuff still coming on? That's so funny. Here, of course. Okay, let me have this up. Let's check the loudspeakers. 1.5 volts. Yeah, it's okay. Why not having signal to the other channel? Let's give a try the old good empiric way. I checked the amplifier and it was okay. Nothing here. Something wrong with the connections, or maybe this output jacks. You see these guys here. Okay, let me have my loudspeaker connected like here. Working. What about this? The amplifier, it's fine, but we have a problem with the connector. Now it's working. You see, these connectors, in fact, they have a kind of switch inside So once you are getting this into, then it's disconnecting the inside loudspeaker. So probably that was a problem, or that's a problem. Let me see. Now we should have signal on both channels. It's working. So that's the problem right here with these guys. They need to be clean. Counter working good. Well, nothing to say. It's working. It is working. Well, you see, that was the test for today. I consider this done. All I have to do now is to plant these lateral lids and then to build me some adapters and have some recording tests. But for now, the machine, it's working as it should. A little bit of problems with the connectors, input output loudspeaker connectors too. That will be solved, of course. Mechanical care and also okay, so if we are getting to 0, the band is stopping automatically. Nice. Stops at 0. Beautiful. You know, I have a little test. Let me see if we have oscillation through the erase head, and if we can bet on. Okay, that's the ground. Oh, no oscillation. It's looking like, oh, it's only when it's moving for real. This is interesting. Okay, look there, plenty. 106 kilohertz at 40 volts. Yeah, that's a perfect current. What about the little heads? 24, there's the bias. Yeah, we are good. So if we take it the other way, we should have input signal, recording signal. But I can't test it because I don't have a proper, it's on 0, yes. I don't have a proper adapter. Stop. Yeah, clever. It's erased. It's fine. That's the recording microphone. This is 0 stuff, it's wonderful. Yeah. Noisy, but the tape it's noisy too. It's so old. Yeah. That's the microphone inputs. Working. Yes, people, that's it for today. We have recording, we have playback, kind of noisy. I have to find the source of that noise, but for now it's okay. So once again, this is a DUX 9197, same as Aristona 9197 or Philips 4416 on white and 4417 on black. It's a matter of the face of the aluminum stuff. That's it for today. Like always, if you find this helpful, don't hesitate. Please just push the subscribe button and push the like button. I'm waiting your comments too. Thanks to my sponsors, Radu, Vlad from Ampia Records and Jack from Stage. And see you soon with some other projects. Until next time, see you and have fun. Bye bye.